The upcoming DJI Avata 360 is stirring major excitement across the drone community, with growing signs that its official reveal is right around the corner. Sources close to DJI suggest the global launch will likely happen in March 2026, following the company's familiar rollout strategy, first in mainland China, then quickly expanding worldwide. This approach has worked for DJI in recent years, and it appears they're sticking with it for their most innovative FPV drone yet. What's fueling the buzz this time is not just speculation but a surge of verified leaks. A short 16-second instructional video hidden inside the DJI Goggles beta app has confirmed key details about the Avata 360's design and setup. Even though the clip was recorded at an ultra-low resolution of 32 by 32 pixels, it unmistakably shows how the drone's battery is inserted and activated. That tiny clip signals something huge. The drone isn't just an internal prototype anymore. It's in the hands of testers and content creators, meaning production is well underway. Several leaked images show the Avata 360's packaging alongside the previous model, the Avata 2. The new version appears slightly larger than the Avata 2, which weighed around 377 grams. The design remains true to DJI Cine-style philosophy, featuring a duct frame with fully enclosed propeller guards for safer indoor flights. But this time, DJI has opted for 4-blade propellers instead of the 3-blade configuration from the last generation, likely enhancing flight stability and control. The drone's matte gray finish, complete with the signature DJI branding, gives it a sleek, professional appearance. The biggest transformation is clearly in the camera system. The Avata 360 is rumored to capture stunning 8K video at 60 frames per second with full HDR panoramic capability. Its camera module is tiltable and can switch seamlessly between immersive 360 degrees capture and a traditional forward-facing FPV mode. This dual functionality turns it into a hybrid drone, perfect for both fast-paced FPV flying and cinematic panoramic storytelling. It's a clear step toward merging immersive VR recording with agile first-person piloting. Safety and intelligence also seem to be at the forefront. Early information points to 4 to 6 front-facing obstacle sensors, though there's still no confirmation of rear sensors. That said, DJI's track record in collision avoidance suggests this model will push boundaries once again. With leaked pricing aligning with previous insider reports, anticipation is building fast. The base Avata 360 is expected to retail around $499 for the drone alone. A bundle including the DJI RC2 controller should cost about $699, while the Fly More combo, with 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case, may reach $999. For those wanting the full immersive package, a version with DJI Goggles N3 could come in at approximately $1,200. While drone fans await official word on the Avata 360, another major leak has captivated creators, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Long rumored and now seemingly confirmed, the Pocket 4 has moved from speculation to reality after a real-world sighting in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. A short 33-second video taken at a DJI-authorized retailer showed a customer casually holding the device, revealing its compact gimbal design and new refinements. The clip went viral almost instantly before disappearing from social media, a clear sign that DJI is in the final stages of preparing for launch. Unlike early leaks or rough test models, the Pocket 4 in that footage looked complete, fully functional with polished software and packaging that appeared production-ready. Its familiar vertical gimbal design stays true to the Pocket series' portable DNA, ideal for vloggers and travelers. However, subtle yet impactful changes have been made to improve usability. One standout upgrade is the addition of extra physical buttons on the grip. It's a small adjustment that solves a big pain point for users who previously had to navigate touchscreen menus mid-shoot. Now, camera adjustments can be made faster and more intuitively. Another clever addition spotted in the footage is a built-in LED light mounted near the camera on a tiny adjustable arm. This thoughtful feature gives creators a flexible light source without needing bulky accessories. Whether shooting in dim indoor setups or capturing night scenes, it's a practical enhancement that reflects DJI's growing focus on real-world creator needs rather than flashy gimmicks. The leak also revealed a mysterious new shooting mode called Supero. While details remain unconfirmed, its name and interface hint at an intelligent mode similar to GoPro's advanced auto-processing systems. If that's true, the Pocket 4 could automatically optimize lighting, color balance, and noise reduction in real time, giving users high-quality footage without extensive manual tweaking. For content creators who value speed and convenience, this would be a major leap forward. Visually, the Pocket 4 maintains the sleek, compact style that made the series iconic, but it feels more refined and ready for the modern creator. Reports suggest pricing will start around $549 to $649 in the US, with higher-end bundles possibly reaching $799. Given the rumored improvements in control, lighting, and AI-driven shooting modes, the price point looks more than justified for creators seeking a lightweight, all-in-one tool for cinematic video capture. Meanwhile, in a surprising twist, another player is entering the scene, Insta360. At the company's annual meeting, its CEO briefly teased a mysterious new camera called the Insta360 Luna. The reveal was short but immediately sent ripples through the camera community. Soon after, clearer images and additional details surfaced online, reportedly shared by well-known leaker Igor. These were followed by a video from X-Drone Studio that showcased the device in action, though the camera body was deliberately blurred. This move sparked speculation that Insta360 is strategically controlling the reveal to generate intrigue while testing real-world functionality. Despite the secrecy, the footage provided some valuable clues. Portrait clips show beautiful background separation and depth, suggesting a large sensor and advanced image processing at work. The camera is rumored to support 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second with 10-bit color, giving it potential for buttery smooth slow motion and rich dynamic range. It may feature a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal for stabilization, along with intelligent subject tracking for effortless shooting. Under the hood, the Luna could carry a dual processor setup, one chip handling raw image data and another managing real-time optimization. This design would reduce noise, enhance brightness, and streamline processing. Battery life is expected to last up to 3 hours, powered by a 1,500 mAh battery with USB-C fast charging. Other rumored features include a rotating touchscreen, optional ND filter support, and dual lens capability for both wide and telephoto perspectives. Although the full design hasn't been revealed, all signs point to a polished, production-ready device. Insta360 seems to be taking a calculated, step-by-step approach, revealing performance first and aesthetics later, likely saving a few headline-grabbing surprises for the official launch. Across the board, the landscape of compact creative tech is heating up. DJI's Avata 360 and Osmo Pocket 4 are poised to redefine what's possible in aerial and handheld filmmaking, while Insta360's Luna appears to be carving its own intelligent path forward. Together, these developments hint at a thrilling 2026 for creators, filled with smarter tools, better image quality, and devices that are finally catching up with the pace of modern creativity.